In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present in Miro. By the end, you'll know how to set up your board like a slide deck, switch into presentation mode, move through your content smoothly, and highlight key points with simple built-in tools. First, prepare your board. Think of frames in Miro as slides in a presentation. Create a frame for each section or idea you want to cover, and place your content inside those frames. Keep a logical flow from left to right or top to bottom so your audience can follow your story. Give each frame a clear title so you can recognize it at a glance while presenting. As you arrange text, images, and diagrams, aim for consistency, similar font sizes, aligned elements, and enough spacing to keep things readable. If you've got elements you don't want to accidentally move during the presentation, lock them in place. It's also helpful to keep supporting details inside the same frame so you can zoom in without jumping to another part of the board. When your frames are ready, enter presentation mode. Look to the top right corner of your Miro board and click Present. You'll have a choice: navigate by frames, which moves one frame at a time like slides, or navigate manually, which lets you freely pan and zoom. If you've set up frames to guide a narrative, choose frame by frame for a structured flow. If you want flexibility to explore details on the fly, go with manual navigation. You can always switch approaches depending on the moment. As you present, move through your content using the arrow keys for a clean, predictable pace. The right arrow advances and the left arrow goes back. You can also open the frame overview to jump directly to a specific section without scrolling around the board. That's especially useful if someone asks to revisit a point and you want to get there quickly without breaking your rhythm. To highlight and annotate, use Miro's zoom and drawing tools. Zoom in to focus your audience's attention on a specific chart or note, then zoom back out to show how it fits into the big picture. Use the spotlight or cursor highlight to point at important elements without adding extra shapes to the board. If you want to emphasize a detail, pick the pen tool to circle, underline, or quickly sketch an arrow. Choose a bright color so your markup stands out, and keep your annotations simple and intentional. With your frames organized, presentation mode set, navigation under control, and highlighting tools ready, you're all set to deliver a confident, polished presentation in Miro.